Yes, just put a word with it. A lot of people got that answer, but that's not the correct one. Yes, put a word with it. Okay, time is up. Before we go over the solution, let's have one more volunteer read the problem out loud. Maria, nice and loud.
Rita has 19 more pennies than Carlos. Rita has 27 pennies. How many pennies does Carlos have?
Very good. And by the time we were done, I would say about half of you got it right. So someone that I gave thumbs up to, Ethan, you were the very first person I saw. Can you show us just your equation, not the picture part? How did you solve this problem? (27) minus 19. Let's put the line underneath. Don't do anything yet. Hold on. Let's put the line underneath and then step off to the side so everybody can see. All right, so no, you don't need the little equals symbol right there. Just this line underneath is fine. So we've got 27 minus 19, which is the correct operation to use for this problem, subtraction. We know that Rita has more pennies than Carlos. It says she has 27, and she has 19 more than Carlos, which is why we're subtracting. So now Ethan's going to remind us how to subtract. A lot of people, we've taken a couple months off from our subtracting units. A lot of people forgot how to subtract. So walk us through it, Ethan. What should we do? Okay, so Ethan knows that you can't do 7 minus 9. How come you can't do 7 minus 9, Ethan?
Because 9 is bigger than 7.
Yeah, 9 is bigger than 7, so we can't take away 9 from 7. Now I understand why a lot of people got 12. A lot of you put a 2 in the ones place because you were doing 9 minus 7. All right, so he's about to regroup. He crosses out the 2 in the tens place. And what next, Ethan? 2 becomes a 1, and the 7 becomes a 17. So now we're trying to figure out 17 minus 9. There's a variety of strategies people use to do that, and Ethan's got it correct. 17 minus 9 is 8. We still have the tens place, and Ethan, what is 1 minus 1?
0.
Yeah, so we don't have to write anything. So 8 is the correct answer. Let's give Ethan a round of applause. Okay, now Ethan, somebody who got the correct solution, someone who got 8, and thinks that their picture really represents how they got that. Who wants to show us their picture? So Ethan, you can call on someone. All right, Maya, come on up. Thanks, Ethan. So what picture did you use to represent that problem? Show us. You want to use the marker? Or your finger? Doesn't matter. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, stop there. Just step off to the side. So Maya has started off by drawing 27 circles. And Maya, what are you going to do with those circles?
I'm going to take away...
How are you going to show taking away? How are you going to show taking away 19?
By crossing it out.
Right, so we're going to cross out 19 of the circles. I'll help you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And now what's your next step?
So I'm going to count the ones that I have.
Yep. And that matches the same answer Ethan got. So let's give a round of applause for Maya. And Maya, it's a word problem, so we should include a word in our answer, at least. What word should go? So the question is, how many pennies does Carlos have?
He has 8 pennies.
So if you want to do a full sentence, you can write, he has 8 pennies. Or at the very least, if you're just going to put one word, what's the one word we could put?
Penny.
Penny. So you take your choice of which way you want to do that.
He has.
Go for it. He has 8. And what do all sentences need at the end? Good, some type of punctuation. And then how do all sentences start? Capital. So can we make that H a capital H? You actually don't even need to really erase anything. You could just extend the line on the right side. There you go. So he has 8 pennies. One more round of applause for Maya. All right, very great, Maya. And everybody else, we are going to do the first page of our problem set together. So just turn the page. I'll bring it up on the screen. And then the second page of the problem set you guys are going to do independently. So this first one we'll do together. All right, so our objective today is I can solve word problems using data presented in a bar graph. So we're continuing to work with bar graphs. And there's a couple words in there that we're familiar with, word problems, which is why we're doing this first one together. There's a lot of reading involved in today's assignment. So when we do our independent work, you guys are going to be allowed to work with people at your table for help, to get help with the reading. All right, so now we're on page 161. I'm just looking around to make sure we're all on the right page. Rissy, you ready? 161. You take your head out of your shirt? Thanks. All right, who wants to read the directions? Alexa. Okay, so they gave us a partially finished bar graph, and we're going to complete it together, and then we're just going to answer some questions that are there at the bottom of the page. All right, so who wants to read what's in the chart for us up top? A lot of volunteers. Royalty, go ahead.
Penny 6, Saturday 15, Sunday 10, Monday 4, Tuesday 7.
Okay, so the first thing that I see on my bar graph here is that it says title and there's a blank line. Does anybody know what the title of our graph should be? I'll give you a clue. It's somewhere on the page already. Kimberly?
The chart.
What's the title going to be? Can you point to where it is? Yep, that's absolutely correct. And so she pointed to this. Can anybody read what it says? That's going to be our title. Haley?
Penny saved.
Good. So let's all write in pennies saved.
Penny saved.
Pennies saved. Anyone tell me how many cents a penny is? How many cents is a penny? Sophia? Good, very good. 1 cent. 1 penny equals 1 cent. Okay. The next thing I would notice as I'm filling out my bar graph is we have these empty lines on the bottom. We have to write something over those empty lines. Who thinks they know what we're going to write on those lines? Steven?
The numbers that they have on the top.
You think we're going to write numbers down here?
No.
Not the numbers.
I know that. Wait.
Which words?
That's on top of the numbers.
Yep, and do you know, can you read those words for me? I'll give you a clue. They're days of the week. What's this first one?
Sunday.
Close. What day comes before Sunday?
Saturday.
Yeah, so Saturday.
Sunday. Monday to Tuesday.
Excellent. So everybody, we're going to write those words on these bottom lines right here. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Basic question? The words are written right here on your page. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You can look right on your paper. And those are words we should all know how to spell, the days of the week.
Do we do bars?
Don't do the bars yet. Just keep up with me. We're going to do this together. I'm looking, still see some people writing. Okay, I think we're all ready to go on. So, the first word on our chart is Saturday. And how many pennies did Calista save on Saturday? Valerie? 15. So I'm going to do this first bar. We're going to go all the way up to 15. And your bar should go right over the word. So my 15 bar goes right over the word Saturday. All the way to the top. And since we're working together, you can shade a little faster than normal. You don't have to make it perfect. So your bar should go right over the word. So there should be an empty column in between your first bar and the numbers on the side of the graph. All right, I'm doing different colors just for fun, but you guys are writing in pencil, so yours will be all the same color. Who wants to come to the board and do Sunday's bar? Michael, come on up. Draw a bar for Sunday. Nope, right over the word Sunday. Yep. Good, shade it in quickly. All right, try to keep it in the lines. Can you get that top a little more? Good, so his bar goes all the way up to number 10. And Michael, call on someone for Monday.
Right.
Good job. Monday goes up to 4. Great. And Tuesday, last one. Calling someone around?
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Yeah.
Daniel.
Nice job, Daniel. Tuesday goes up to 7. Good? All right, you put the marker down. All right, so that's what I consider the fun part. I love making bar graphs. Just walking around and make sure everybody's caught up, because then we're going to answer some questions. Try to finish in 30 seconds. Okay, now we answer our questions. Who would like to read A? Maria.
How many pennies did Calista save in
How many pennies did Calista save in
all?
all? Now, in all is a key word, key phrase. What do you think we have to do for a question that says in all? Maria, what do you think? What does in all usually mean in a word problem? What operation?
Together?
Right? Together. And what does together mean? What operation? The operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division.
Addition?
Yeah, when we put things together, we're adding. So how many pennies did Calista save in all? And we know we're going to add. What do you think we're going to add? Rissy?
Is it
Tell me some numbers we're going to add.
50
15 plus what?
Plus 10?
Good. Plus what? Keep going.
plus 4
Plus one more.
plus 7?
Good. So we're going to add them all up together. So 15 plus 10. I'm going to start like this. And then when I get my answer, I'm going to add 4. And then I'm going to keep going like that. So 15 plus 10. Does anyone know that? We're pretty good at counting by tens. Can anyone do that right off the top of their head? Sophia?
15?
Plus 10.
25?
Good. 25. All right. Now we're going to keep on going down the line. So 25 plus 4. Steven?
29?
Very good. 29 plus 7. Last one. Maya. Very good. 36. All right, so that's our answer to A. Everybody write in 36. The answer to A is 36. Okay, who wants to read B? Ethan, go ahead.
Her sister saved 18 fewer pennies. How many pennies did her sister save?
So 18 fewer than 36. Anyone have a guess at how we're going to solve that? Alexa? What minus what?
36 minus 8.
Minus 8? She had 18 fewer pennies.
36 minus 18.
Good. 36 minus 18. I'm going to do it over here. All right. 36 minus 18. Who wants to walk me through what I should do? Michael?
Plus the 3.
Cross out the 3.
The 1, the 6.
So turn 6 into 16.
The 2 of the 3.
Put a 2 on top of the 3. Good. Yep. 16 minus 8 equals 8. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. Good. So the answer to B is 18. Write that in. Okay. C. Maxwell, please read C.
How much more money did her save on Saturday, then on Monday, and Tuesday?
Okay, so we have a Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday. What do we have to do to those two numbers? Maxwell?
Put them together.
So what is 7 plus 4?
11.
Good, so 7 plus 4 is 11. So he saved 11 cents on Monday and Tuesday. And the question is, how much more money did she save on Saturday? So on Saturday, 15. On Monday and Tuesday, 11. So these are some keywords we've been talking about. How much more? What operation does how much more mean? Maya. Yes, minus, subtraction. So what two numbers are we going to subtract?
15 minus 11.
Very good. 15 minus 11. Steven, what do I do? Pass? Kimberlyn, what do I do? How'd you get that? Good. 5 minus 1 is 4. Yeah, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer to C is 4. 4. Write it in. All right, 2 more to go together. Who wants to read D? Haley, can you read D for me? How will the data, which means the numbers, change if Calista doubles the amount of money she saved on Sunday? How much money did she save on Sunday, Haley? And what will the number be if we double 10? Good. So the question's asking, how will the numbers change if she saves 20 on Sunday instead of 10? Who thinks they know how to answer that? How should we write that up? How should we answer that question? Maya, how would you answer it?
20.
Let's just say she will save 20 cents on Sunday. She will save 20, and the symbol for cents is like a C with a line going through it. She will save 20 cents on Sunday. That's how the data will change. Okay, copy that down. She will save 20 cents on Sunday. Let's see.
Is it cold? Is that light blue you're using?
Greenish blue, yeah. Can you see it from over there? Do you have your glasses? Do you have glasses? But you don't have them with you? You gotta bring them every day to school. Ethan? Still going? 26 minutes. All right, and one last question. Who wants to read E? Royalty, go ahead.
Write a comparison question that can be answered using the data on the bar graph.
Good, so our comparison questions, remember, is how much more or how much fewer, how many more, how much less. We're comparing two amounts. So who has an example of two things that we can compare that the problems have not compared already? Maya, what should we compare?
20 plus.
We want to write a question that's either how much more or how much less. So which one of those two do you want to use?
20 plus.
Now you're just going to choose either how much more or how much less. Which one of those two questions do you want to use?
How much more?
All right, so we'll start like that. How much more, or how many more cents how many more cents did she save on, so let's start like that. How many more cents did she save on? You can put that away, Michael. Got that written, Michael? No, because you're playing with a fan. All right, now Maya, you're going to finish it off. How many more cents did she save on? And now you're going to tell me 2 days. And the first day should be bigger than the second day. So you're going to days of the week, not the numbers.
Saturday?
So how many more cents did she save on Saturday than, now you have to pick a day that's less than Saturday.
Monday.
Okay, then Monday. Question mark. That's it. Steven.
Is that in my writing?
Right here? D-I-D, did. Yep, that's an I.
Do we put the Saturday part?
All of it. How many more cents did she save on Saturday than Monday? That's an example of a comparison question. We're comparing Saturday to Monday. End it there. Thank you, Ariana.